Motion in vertical circle. Now all of you say here, motion in vertical circle. Here there is a spherical bob of mass m, which is tied with a string of length L, is revolved in a vertical circle. It is revolved in a vertical circle. So its motion will be non-uniform circular motion. Why? Because the motion is under gravity. Since the motion is under gravity, therefore its speed will continuously change. It will have maximum speed at the lowest point and minimum speed at the highest point. Here we have taken speed at the lowest point as V here, and tension in the string is here. Here what is the weight? Weight mg is acting. So at the lowest point, CF will be provided by the resultant of these two forces. What will be the resultant of TL and mg? It will be TL minus mg equals to mvs square upon L. Upon L. Now see here, at the highest point, this is the highest. At the highest point, mg is acting vertically downward, and tension is also TH. What is TH? It is the tension in the string when bob is at the highest point. Tension in the string when bob is at the highest point. Now this will provide the required CF. What will be the CF here? So yesterday I told that TH plus mg equals to mvh square upon h. Now this speed can be increased or decreased by applying the force on the string. It's clear? Here this is the, our hand will be here. At this point hand is there, means ये ऐसे कुछ है कि ये नहीं हट रहा है, और ये क्या है, बॉल ऐसे रिवॉल्व कर रही है. Without this string is not slacking. String is not slacking. ये एकदम क्या है, हर प्लेस पर टाइट है. So see here, we can decrease the speed. We can decrease or increase the speed by applying the force at the point of rotation. Now see here, when the speed at the highest point is decreased, when the speed at the highest point is decreased, then what will happen? Requirement of CF will be less. Requirement of CF will be less. And when requirement of CF will be less, therefore in order to counterbalance, this side should also become smaller. ये भी अगर ये पहले 10 न्यूटन था, अब हमने स्पीड डिक्रीज कर दी, 8 न्यूटन हो गया, तो ये भी क्या होना चाहिए, 8 न्यूटन होना चाहिए. अब इसमें अगर हम देखें, this component cannot decrease. Therefore what will happen? Tension in the string will decrease. Means if you keep on lowering the speed at the highest point, tension in the string will keep on decreasing. और ये डिक्रीज होके कितना तक हो सकता है, ये डिक्रीज होके 0 तक हो सकता है. इसलिए ये क्या है, स्पीड हम इतना डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं so that the tension in the string when bob is at the highest point becomes 0. इसलिए it cannot decrease below this value. It cannot decrease below this value. So see here, you write down. You write down velocity at the highest point. When the velocity of the bob at the highest point is decreased, when the velocity of the bob at the highest point is decreased, then tension in the string, at the highest point decreases. Tension in the string at the highest point decreases. till tension in the string at the highest point decreases till it becomes zero. Till it becomes zero. The velocity of the bob at the highest point. The velocity of the bob at the highest point when tension in the string is zero is called the critical velocity at the highest point. It's called the critical velocity at the highest point. Means at pH equals to 0, this VH will be equal to what? VH will be equal to VHC. It is the critical velocity at the highest point. And what is the meaning of critical velocity? If the velocity of the bob becomes less than this, if the velocity of the bob at the highest point becomes less than this, then what will happen? This bob will not be able to complete the vertical circle. bob क्या है, यहाँ तक आ ही नहीं पाएगा. आए समझे? अगर हम क्या कर दें, suppose this critical velocity comes out 5 meter per second, and if we make it 4.9 meter per second at the highest point, then what will happen? This bob will not be able to come at this point. यहाँ पर आ ही नहीं पाएगा. It's clear? Before reaching here, it will fall down. It's clear? So right now, if the velocity of the bob becomes smaller than the critical velocity at the highest point, becomes smaller than the critical velocity at the highest point. If the velocity of the bob at the highest point, that also you add. If the velocity of the bob at the highest point becomes smaller than the critical velocity of the bob at highest point, then bob will not be able to complete the vertical circle. Bob will not be able to complete the vertical circle. Have you got this point? Means क्या है, अगर हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पर बॉडी की क्रिटिकल वेलोसिटी, बॉडी की वेलोसिटी क्या है, जो यहाँ पर क्रिटिकल वेलोसिटी है उस वैल्यू से कम हो, देन दिस बॉडी विल नॉट बी एबल टू रीच एट दिस पॉइंट. इट्स क्लियर? सो सी हियर एट pH equal to 0, VH equal to VHC. So when we will substitute 0 plus mg equals to mVHC whole square upon L. So this m and m cancel. So VHC square is what? GL. Therefore VHC equals to how much? Root GL. Means all of you see here. It means if the bob is crossing to the highest point with a velocity root GL, if the bob is crossing to the highest point with a velocity root GL, then what will happen? It will just completes the circle. It will just completes the circle. And at this position, what will be the tension in the string at the highest point? That will be 0. That will be 0. It's clear? But if we make the velocity in such a way that it becomes less than this value root GL, then what will happen? bob क्या है, यहाँ तक आ ही नहीं पाएगा. ऐसे वो velocity attain ही नहीं कर पाएगा. So you note down. Have you noted? Now see here. Now by applying the law of conservation of energy, we will find the relation between VH and VL. Relation between VH and VL. So see here. Relation between VL and VH from law of conservation of energy. You can see here from law of conservation of energy, total energy at lowest point equals to total energy at highest point. Here we have assumed zero level of potential energy at lowest position. लोएस्ट पोजीशन मीन्स क्या है, हमने ये एज्यूम कर लिया है कि पोटेंशियल एनर्जी का जीरो कहाँ पर है, लोएस्ट पोजीशन. सो सी व्हाट इज द टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ द बॉब एट द लोएस्ट पॉइंट. सो टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ द बॉब एट द लोएस्ट पॉइंट ओनली काइनेटिक, बिकॉज पोटेंशियल ऑलरेडी वी हैव एज्यूम्ड जीरो. पोटेंशियल हमने जीरो ले लिया. व्हाट इज द टोटल एनर्जी एट द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट. It will be kinetic as well as potential. How much will be the kinetic? 1/2 mvh square plus mg, and what is the height? Height from here 2l. It is equal to 2l. mg into 2l. Now have you noted? So you can cancel out m here. M you can cancel out. Then you multiply this whole equation by 2. तो जब 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ 1/2 खत्म, यहाँ भी 1/2 खत्म हो जाएगा, और वहाँ क्या हो जाएगा 4 हो जाएगा. मीन्स व्हाट विल यू गेट, VL स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू VH स्क्वायर प्लस 4GL. This will be the relation. VL square equals to VH square plus 4GL. Now see here, when Bob is having velocity equal to critical velocity here, then what will be the velocity at this point? When VH equals to VHC equals to root GL, then VL equals to how much? VLC. VL will be equal to root VLC. So you find out VLC here. You substitute here, VLC square equals to VHC square plus VL. Now what is plus 4GL? 4. Now you can see here, what is VHC square? It is equal to GL. So when you will substitute GL plus equals to 5GL. So what is VLC? Root 5. VLC equals to root 5GL. It is clear? Means क्या है? What is the critical velocity at the lowest point? Root 5GL. जब यहाँ पर बॉब की वेलोसिटी रूट 5GL होगी, इट विल हैव हाउ मच वेलोसिटी हियर, रूट GL, and in that case it will be able to complete the vertical circle. If the velocity of the body becomes less than this, अगर बॉडी की वेलोसिटी इससे कम हो जाए, then what will happen? It will not be able to reach at the highest point. If the velocity of the bob at the lowest position becomes smaller than root 5GL, it will not be able to reach here. It will not be able to complete the circle. It's clear? When it passes to the lowest position with the critical velocity, what will be the tension in the string when bob is at the highest point? 0. अब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे टेंशन यहाँ पर कितना होगा when the velocity is this. So see here, tension in the string when bar is at lowest position. At velocity VL equals to root 5 GL. So now you know here that TL minus mg equals to mvl square upon. When you will substitute VL square here, what will you get? M upon L into root 5 GL. That is 5 mg. So what will be TL? Equals to 6 mg. मीन्स जब ऊपर है टेंशन 0 है तो नीचे जब होगा तब कितना होगा टेंशन? दैट विल बी 6 mg. Now we will do some numericals. Now you write down one question. ये एयरटेल वाले हैं सब. Now all of you see, write down this question. This is not given in your book, so you write down. A ball of mass 0.5 kg. A ball of mass 0.5 kg. Tied at one end of the cord. Tied at one end of the cord. Of length 50 centimeter. Is revolved in a vertical circle. Is revolved in a vertical circle. Now you write down further. If the speed of the ball at the lowest point of the circle is, if the speed of the ball at the lowest point of the circle is 6 meters per second, speed of the ball at the lowest point of the circle is 6 meters per second, then will the ball be able to complete one round? Will the ball be able to complete one round? If yes, then what will be the speed of the ball at the highest point? At the highest point. What will be tensions in the cord? What will be tensions in the cord? Cord means string. At the highest and lowest points. At the highest and lowest points. Now see here. Here M is given 0.5 kg This is 0.5 kg. And L is given 50 centimeter, that is equals to 0.5 meter. Now in the question they said that if the speed of the ball at the lowest point is 6 meter per second, then whether it will be able to complete the circle. So find out critical velocity at the lowest point. Find out the critical velocity at the lowest point. अगर क्या है 6 मीटर पर सेकंड इससे अधिक है या इसके बराबर है तो कंप्लीट कर देगा, और अगर नहीं है तब नहीं कर पाएगा। तो इस वैल्यू को हम फाइंड आउट करें। सो √5GL, you find out √5GL, that is 5 into G is 9.8 and L is 0.5. So you can see here, you can write this side, जिसको मैथमेटिक्स आती होगी वो बता देगा 0.98। हमने डेसिमल की हेरा फेरी कर दी। आया सुने? सो ये कितना हो गया? इसका स्क्वायर रूट 5, उसका स्क्वायर रूट 7√2 डिवाइडेड बाई 10। ठीक, सो हम डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखे लेके कितना है 4.95 मीटर पर सेकेंड। नाउ यू कैन सी हियर in the question speed is 6 meter per second, but critical is only this. Therefore what will happen? It will be able to complete the circle. So as BL is 6 meter per second, which is more than BLC, therefore Bob will able to complete the circle. Now you have to find the velocity at the highest point. When it crosses to the lowest point with 6 meter per second, then what is the velocity at highest point? So you know the relation. VL square equals to VH square plus 4VL. You find out VL is how much? 6 square. VH square this plus 4. G is how much? 9.8. L is 0.5. Means कितना हुआ? 4 into 0.5, 2 into 9.8, 19.6. Means VH square equals to 36 minus 19.6. So when you will simplify, VH equals to how much? This is 20.4. कितना? 16.4. 16.4. So you find out 16.4 का स्क्वायर रूट 4.05. 4. Now after that you have to find the tension in the string at the lowest point and at the highest point. So tension at the in the string at the lowest point को मालूम है फार्मूला पहले से ही EL equals to mg plus mBL square upon इसके सब रख देंगे PH equals to how much? It will be mg, not mg. It will be mBH square upon L minus, so that you can do.